Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're taking a look at the three ETFs of the Chinese listed stocks, followed by Alibaba itself. So we'll first start off with KWEB. So without further ado, let's take a look at the charts. So as you can see, KWEB has started to turn, and unfortunately, we can see that this previous resistance here did not turn into strong support on the way down. So it's likely for us to break down further next week. So first, support to watch will be around $33. This coincides with this rate baseline over here. So this is the first support. The next support, looking at the Fibonacci support from 1722 to a high of 3619. 78.6% is at 3213, and the second support is at 2894, which is a more critical support to watch out for. Because once it breaks down this support, then things may start to turn ugly. That said, resistance to clear is 34.75 at this blue conversion line. Currently, we are still below it. So long as we are below it, we are still bearish. Not forgetting, there is also some cloud support coming up. So if we can hit this cloud support and find some support, we potentially may continue to climb up further from here. Let's take a look at CWEB. So for CWEB, once again, we also broke out above this resistance, but unfortunately, we did not hold this previous resistance turn into support, and then we started to break down further. So on Friday itself, we actually closed near the rate baseline, which is essentially the last support. Once we break down, then we're looking at 78.6% at 60.10. The next support is at $51, pretty far away. Likewise, hopefully this cloud can turn into a strong support, just around $55 to $57 here. Resistance to clear will be 66, which is this blue conversion line. Moving on to FXI. So for FXI, you can see that once we broke down this blue conversion line, things started to turn pretty bearish. And similar situation, we are looking towards the next support coming in at this rate baseline here, around 70 levels. So 3070 is a critical level, coincides with this 8.6%. Thereafter, we're looking at 2860. Resistance to clear will be around 3220 levels. So let's move on to take a look at Alibaba itself. So you can see that Alibaba, after managed to close its gap here, the one listed in New York or BABA, you can see that we started to turn back down. In fact, we actually did not hold above this blue conversion line, starting to break down quite fast. So from its recent low of $58, the recent high of 121.3, we are looking at the 78.6% being broken down Friday itself. So the rate baseline next support is around 103, 104 levels. Once we break that support level, we are likely to test the $100 psychological support level. And there might be some triggering of stop losses at around $97 or $98 for Alibaba. So the critical resistance to clear will be around 113 or 114 levels. If you can clear this blue conversion line, then potentially we may see more upside for Alibaba. That said, we are looking at some potential cloud support in the upcoming trading session. So hopefully this cloud support can hold for BABA. So let's take a look at 9988. So similar situation, we are starting to pull back. In fact, we did not test this high here, and we started to pull back down at around 118 levels, and recent low was around 60.3 for 9988. So on Friday itself, we closed at around 78.6%, which is a critical support that we're looking at. So on the first day when we tested this support, we actually saw a bounce towards this blue conversion line and turn into a strong resistance. So currently this resistance is at 112, 113, 111 and 112 levels, which we have to clear in order to continue our upside momentum. If not, we are looking at the rate baseline at 101 levels next to the $100 psychological support level, and thereafter will be 61.8% at 96.30. So a similar situation, the cloud is coming soon, so hopefully that can turn into support in the upcoming trading sessions in the event that we see a pullback, further pullback. So hopefully buyers do step in. If not, considering the fact that we actually close near the week low for this week, it's likely for us to continue seeing more selling pressure for next week. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again. Appreciate the manipulation.